Saraswati Sisukund Bagwal Boardson welcomes you. Standard 9 Mathematics, Chapter number 4 Linear Equation in two variables. Friend, whatever we studied in last 4 lectures, in today's lecture we revised all the topic in this lecture. We know that Sunday we have test, so in this lecture we have revised all the topics, all the examples. In this lecture will help you in the test paper, and we know that some concept of linear equation in one variable, linear equation in two variable. Before starting, let us devise the term equation. What is equation? We know that equation is an statement of equality which contains one or more unknowns. Is called equation. For example, we can say that x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation. Here, this is the unknown. Okay. Also, we can say that x square plus 1 plus 2x. This is also equation because here the sign is equal. So, whenever you see the equal sign, this means this is the equation. We can also say that x plus y plus z equal to 3. That means here x, y and z are unknown. Now let us see what is the variable. Variable is unknown. Whatever we have given in the equation, that is unknown, is called variable, for it is denoted by small alphabetic letters like x, y, z, p, q, r. So this is a variable. Now, what is linear equation? So linear equation is an equation whose maximum power, or you can say that a degree 1. Here, see, I am talking about only linear equation. So we can say that x plus y equal to 1. So this is the linear equation because the maximum power of equation is 1. So this is linear. We can say that x plus 2 equal to 0. This is also the linear equation. Also we can say that y plus 2 equal to 3. Also z minus 3 equal to 4. Z plus root 2 equal to 0. So these are all the examples of linear equation. Now let us see what is linear equation with one variable. Let us see linear equation with one variable. Linear equation in one variable. So what is linear equation in one variable? So friend, we know that what is linear equation? Linear equation is an equation whose maximum power or degree is 1. So in linear equation, let us recall it. First of all, linear equation, that means degree 1. In one variable, that means variable that is only one variable is given. So linear equation in one variable, that means an equation whose maximum power is 1 and there is only one variable. Or you can say that a linear equation in one variable is ax plus b equal to 0 is called linear equation in one variable. That means this is the standard form of linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. So see, in this standard form there is only one variable which is x, b is the constant and the condition is a b belongs to R, a not equal to 0. Why not equal to 0? If you take a equal to 0, then there is a constant only remaining. That's why we cannot take a equal to 0. For example, I can say that 2x plus 5 equal to 0. This is the linear equation in one variable. Another example, I will take x plus 3 equal to 0. This is also linear equation. Y minus 5 equal to 0. This is also linear equation in one variable. Now let us talk about what is the solution of linear equation in one variable. Friends, we know that whenever we have already discussed in last lectures that linear equation in one variable have unique solution. So how to find solution of linear equation in one variable means if the value of variable satisfies the given equation is called linear equation in one variable. Let us take an example. Example number 1, x plus 5 equal to 3. Okay, so whatever I take the value of x, if it satisfies the given equation, that means this is the solution of linear equation in one variable. How to find? Let us take LHS. First of all, I have to find the value of x. So x plus 5 equal to 3. So I can write x equal to 3 minus 5. So what is the x? X equal to 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. So what is LHS? LHS equal to x plus 5. Substitute the value x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2, that means minus 2 plus 5. 5 minus 2, that is 3 equal to RHS. That means x equal to minus 2 is the solution of linear equation in one variable. Friends, linear solution of linear equation in one variable is always unique. This question will be asked in your exam or in the test by multiple choice question or true false or in the fill in the blanks. Once again, or we can say that the solution of linear equation is always x equal to minus b by a by using standard form of linear equation in one variable. Once again, solution of linear equation in one variable is always unique, and if we talk about the standard form of linear equation in one variable ax plus b equal to 0, then the solution of linear equation in one variable is x equal to minus b by a. Now let us talk linear equation in two variables. Let us talk about linear equation in two variables. So friends, we have already discussed. Let us recall it. Linear equation, an equation having two variables. First of all, two variables. Another thing is both variables having power 1. Both variables having power 1. And third one is there is no product term of both variables is called linear. All three conditions that is necessary. An equation having two variables, both variables having power 1, and there is no product term of both variables is called linear equation of two variables. What is the standard form? Standard form is we can say that ax plus by plus c equal to 0, condition is a b c belongs to R and a square plus b square is not equal to 0. So this is the standard form of linear equation in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A, B, C belongs to R, that is real number, and a square plus b square is not equal to 0. Another thing we have discussed that all the linear equation in one variable can be expressed as linear equation in two variables. Let us first see the example. Express linear equation in one variable in linear equation in two variables. So let us see the example number 1. 5y plus 3 equal to 0. So friends, we know that our standard form of linear equation in two variables is, that is a x term plus y term plus constant term equal to 0. Here there is only y term and constant term. X term is not available there. So whatever term is missing, you can write 0x, because here x term is missing, so we can write 0x plus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variables. Let us see another example. Example 2, that means 2x plus root 3 equal to 0. So here x term is available, but there is no y term in the equation. So this equation can be written as in linear equation in two variables as here 2x. Then y term is not available, so you can put the 0y plus root 3 equal to 0. So this is that how to convert linear equation in one variable into linear equation with two variables. Now another thing is, you have to indicate the value of a, b, c. Second type of example is, you have to convert the equation in the standard form of linear equation in two variables and indicate the value of a, b and c. So another type of example is, write given equation in the standard form of linear equation in two variables and indicate the value of a, b and c. So let us see the example 1. 3x plus 5y equal to 9. So first of all, we know that what is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Here it is given that ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That means x term, then y term, and then constant equal to 0. That in the whenever you have to convert in the standard form, always right hand side there is a 0. So we can write this equation by this: 3x plus 5y. 9 will be go on other side, the sign will be changed. So here 9 is positive, whenever it is going to on other side it will be negative, equal to 0. Now compare this equation, with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So you will get a equal to 3, b equal to 5 and c equal to, here 9 is negative, so c equal to minus 9. So that is the way that how to convert the standard form of given linear equation in two variable, and how to indicate the value of a, b and c. Let us see the another example. Another example is root 5x equal to 2 root 5 minus 3 root 7. Here first of all we have to make a standard form of linear equation in two variables. First of all x term, that is x term is root 5x, then y term. The y term is on RHS side. Whenever it will go on the left hand side, the sign will be changed. Here the sign of y term is negative. It will be on left hand side, the sign is positive. So sign is plus 3 root 7y. Here 2 root 5 is constant on right hand side. Whenever it will be go on the left hand side, the sign will be changed. That means the positive sign will be converted as a negative sign. That means minus 2 root 5 equal to 0. Now compare this equation with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That means a equal to root 5, b equal to 3 root 7 and c equal to minus 2 root 5. So that is the thing. Now here in exam sometimes you have to say that. Let us see which type of example can be asked in example number 3. I have equation 5x plus 3y equal to 7. Then find the value of a, b and c, and also find a plus b plus c. This is the example. So what can you do? First of all, you have to convert the linear equation in two variables in the standard form. That is 5x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Now compare with this equation in a standard form. Compare कैसे करोगे? ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So here a equal to 5, b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 7. Now we have to also find a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c equal to 5 plus 3 minus 7, that is 8 minus 7, that is 1. So it can be asked the question to find a plus b plus c or a minus b minus c. Now let us see another type of examples. Solution of linear equation in two variables. Friends, solution of linear equation in two variables, that means for real number x and y. For real number x and y, xy satisfies the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then xy is called solution of linear equation in two variables. This is already discussed in last lectures. Friends, we also know that the solution of there are infinitely many solutions. There are infinitely many solutions of linear equation in two variables. This question is also asked as a fill in the blanks or true false or a multiple choice question. Once again, infinitely many solutions of linear equation in two variables. So how to find the solution of linear equation in two variables? Let us see the example number 1. X plus y plus 7 equal to 0. First example is x plus y plus 7 equal to 0. So we have already discussed the step that how to find the solution of linear equation in two variables. Step 1 is first of all, if your equation is not standard form, you have to convert the equation as a standard form of linear equation in two variables. Here we have already given that the equation x plus y plus 7 equal to 0 as a standard form of linear equation in two variables. So step 1 is express y in terms of x, or you can also say that express x in terms of y. Friends, here it is easy where the coefficient of x or y is 1, then you have to express y in terms of x. जिसका कोएफिशिएंट 1 हो उसको x के टर्म में या तो y के टर्म में कन्वर्ट आपको करना है. यहाँ पे दोनों का, here both variable have a coefficient 1, that means you can also express x in terms of y. So I can write y equal to plus 7 will be go on right hand side, this will minus 7. Here x is also positive, which go on right hand side, it will be negative, that is minus x. Step 2 is take 3 value, 2 or 3, you can take 2 value, 3 value, 4 value, whatever value. For example, the question is find the 4 solution of x plus y plus 7 equal to 0, then you need to take the 4 value. Find the 3 solution of the given equation of linear equation in two variables, that means you have to take 3 values. So take 3 values of x, the values always you can take positive or negative or 0. First, let for x equal to 0, so I take first x equal to 0. So what is y? So substitute this value of x equal to 0 in equation 1. So substitute x equal to 0 in equation 1. So our minus x, so y equal to minus 7 minus 0, that means y equal to minus 7. So our first solution, here first term is x, another term is minus 7. So 0 minus 7 is our first solution. Let us take for x equal to minus 3. Let us see. So substitute x equal to minus 3 in equation 1. So what is the value? Y equal to minus 7 minus 3. Minus will be plus, minus 7 plus 3. Here there is a negative sign, so 7 minus 3 4, and the big digit have a negative sign, so answer is minus 4. So our second solution is minus 3 minus 4. Let us see, take another value for x equal to 7. Let us take x equal to 7. So let us substitute x equal to 7 in equation 1. So y equal to minus 7 minus 7. So y equal to minus 14. So our third solution is 7 minus 14 is third solution. So that is the way that how to find the solution of linear equation in two variables. Once again, you have to first convert the standard form of given equation. Another step is express the y in terms of x or express x in terms of y. Then third is take the different 3 or 4 value of x, you will get the value of y. So this is the method. Let us take another example that how to find a linear equation in two variables. Another example is x plus 2y equal to 6. In this example, how the short question will be asked in the test or exam. Let us discuss. First of all, what is the first step? First step is express the y in x or express x in y. Which whenever a variable, whenever one variable have coefficient 1, then this variable can be expressed as an other variable. Here the x has a coefficient 1, so we can express as x in terms of y. So let express x in terms of y. So also we can say that find x form. Find x form. So we can say that x equal to 6 minus 2y. So this is whenever we have to ask in the exam that find x form or find y form of the given equation, then that is the way that you have to find the x form. Let us discuss what is the y form. So y form is, we can say that 2y equal to 6 minus x. So y equal to 6 minus x divided by 2. So this is the y form. Both form here we have discussed. This will be asked in the exam in 1 marks or as a multiple choice question or in the filling the blank. So this is our first step. Now what is the second step? Find 3 solutions of given equation. Find 3 or 4 solutions by taking a value of y. So first of all, let us take y equal to 1. So you will get x equal to 6 minus 2 into 1. So x equal to 6 minus 2. So x equal to 4. So our first solution is, first we have to take the value of x and another is 1. 4, 1 is our first solution. Let us take another value for y equal to 2. For y equal to 2, what will be the answer? X equal to 6 minus 2 into 2. So 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So our another solution is 2, 2. 2 is second solution. Let us take another value for y equal to 3. For y equal to 3, you need to substitute the value of y in this form. X equal to 6 minus 2y. So here x equal to 6 minus 2y equal to 6 minus 2 into 3, that is 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So another solution is 0, 3 is third solution. So friends, whenever you have to say that find 3 solutions of given equation, the example is this for this one. Now let us discuss the graph. How to plot the graph of the following equation. We have 3 solutions. What are the solutions? 4, 1, another is 2, 2 and third one is 0, 3 are solution of x plus 2y equal to 6. So let us first of all mark the points. First point is x equal to 4. When x equal to 4, the y is 1. So here y is 1 and x equal to 4. So this point. Whenever x equal to 2, y equal to 2, that is x equal to 2, y equal to 2, that is this one. And x equal to 0, y equal to 3, that is this one. So the line is drawn. This is our 4, 1. This is our 2, 2 and this one is 0, 3. Now join the 3 points. So the graph is going like this. So this line is x plus 2y equal to 6. Friends, remember, whenever you plot the graph of linear equation in 2 variables, the graph is always a line. whenever you plot the graph of linear equation in two variable, the graph is always line. So this is the way that you have to plot graph of different type of linear equation in two variable. And remember once again, linear equation in one variable have a unique solution, linear equation having a two variable having a infinitely many solution. This is the way to plotting a graph. For short question you need to prepare the last lectures and last worksheet, and you need to prepare also the last 4 lectures and their worksheet, so it will be helpful in your test and the examination. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.